Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about add and subtract polynomials. Our topic is add and subtract polynomials. First example, we are adding 3x plus 4 plus 9x plus 13. Okay, so what we'll do, 3x plus 4 plus 9x plus 13. Okay, bring the like terms to one side. Here the two like terms are 3x and 9x. So 3x plus 9x and 4 plus 13. 3x plus 9x is 9 plus 3 is 12 and we have x, and 4 plus 13 is 17. Okay. Second example, 12x plus 4 minus 3x minus 9. This is very important. Addition is easy. Subtraction is also easy, but we have to follow one small rule. Here we are subtracting the polynomials, okay? So 12x plus 4. Because of a minus in front of the parenthesis, right? Whatever the number inside the parenthesis will switch the sign. That is the difference between adding and subtracting. In adding, we'll not do anything. But when you're subtracting, whatever the terms we have inside the parenthesis will switch the sign. The positive 3x will become minus 3x. Minus 9 will switch the sign. The opposite of minus is plus 9. Okay? In subtracting, because whatever the parenthesis we have, all the numbers inside the parenthesis will switch the sign because it is subtracting. Now bring the like terms. 12x minus 3x are the like terms here, and 4 and 9 are the like terms. 12x minus 3x is 9x, and 9 plus 4 is 13. It is 9x plus 13. Okay. Coming to the third example, 9x squared minus 5x minus 2. Okay, now I'm changing with the degree 2. And 2x squared plus 10x plus 4. Okay. Two polynomials, we are doing adding. In adding, we are not switching any signs. Okay. 9x squared minus 5x minus 2. 2x squared, 10x and 4. Now bring the like terms together. 9x squared plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 10x and minus 2 plus 4. 9x squared plus 2x squared is 11x squared. Minus 5x plus 10x is positive 5x. And 4 minus 2 is plus 2. Okay? From the previous video, I'll ask some questions now. How many terms we have here? We have 3 terms, right? So it is called a trinomial. And what is the degree here? The degree is the highest power of the exponent, right? It's the highest power, which is 2, okay, of the variable. So if degree is 2, it is called quadratic. Okay. And in this question, leading coefficient is the number before the highest degree. Here highest degree is 2, the number before that is 11. So leading coefficient is 11. Okay. And constant is 2. Just, to revise the topics. Okay. Now coming to the fourth example. we will consider minus 2x square plus 6x plus 6 minus 4x plus 3. Again here, we are subtracting the polynomials, okay? Minus 2x square plus 6x plus c. Whenever we are subtracting the polynomials, important rule is we have to switch the signs of the polynomial of the second terms, okay? Because here we have a minus before the parenthesis, right? So you have to switch each and every term here. So positive 4x will become minus 4x, opposite. Switching means it's opposite signs, okay? Positive 3, what is the opposite of positive? Minus 3, okay? Now write the like terms together. We don't have the second polynomial, we don't have degree 2, so I'm not writing, but we have 6x and 4x, they are the like terms, we'll write it together, then we will do adding or subtracting. So minus 2x square, 6x minus 4x is 2x, and 6 minus 3 is plus 3. Again, we have three terms, so trinomial. Degree is 2, quadratic. Leading coefficient is minus 2 and constant is 3. Okay? Coming to the fifth example now. Minus 6x square minus 14x plus 12 minus 7x square plus 4x minus 6. Again, here we are subtracting the two polynomials, right? First polynomial, we will not switch any signs. We are writing it as it is because minus is there before the parenthesis of the second polynomials. So we have to switch the signs of each and every term of the polynomial. Minus 7x square will become positive 7x square minus 4x. Positive 4x, switching the sign means it will become minus 4x. Minus 6 will become positive 6. Now we have to combine the like terms. We are writing the like terms to one side. Like terms means the degree of the same, will consider it as like terms. Okay. Here these two numbers has the degree 2. So we are considering it as a like term. Minus 14x minus 4x and plus 12 plus 6. Minus 6x square plus 7x square is positive x square. Minus 14 minus 4 is minus 18x and 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay. Okay. Now here in this case, the degree is 2. We have three terms, so it is a trinomial and the constant is 18 and there is no leading coefficient. So leading coefficient will consider it as 1. Okay. I hope I gave you a clear idea about adding and subtracting polynomials. Thank you so much for watching.